My name is Timothy Stevens, so I'm an American family physician, and I'm 43 years old. I came to Hainan 11 years ago with my wife and children from Boston in the U.S. For the last 11 years, I've been working here at the Haikou People's Hospital. Once we came here, we found the people were very welcoming to us. Strangers and colleagues and friends were very willing to help us a lot. So we really felt that kind of warm welcome from the Chinese people. We found, here the natural environment was very clean and healthy, so that was very good for us and our children's health. And then the atmosphere in terms of a welcoming toward outsiders to come in and contribute, that made us feel like this was a really good place where we could make an impact and make a difference, but also be welcomed and be, have mutual respect and friendship. So I think it was surprising because before coming here, we didn't really know very much about Hainan, but after being here for a while, we found it became like our second home. In terms of professionally, I've had a lot of opportunity for developing my career because Hainan is really, trying to advance its medical system to, improve the quality of care and also to, meet international standards. There's been, a lot of changes over the years because I've seen, in terms of the infrastructure, the hospitals, the local clinics, the equipment that's being brought in. Sometimes now some of the diagnostic equipment is newer than what I had in the U.S. for my hospital. The expertise has also been increasing, especially bringing in some top doctors from other provinces. They've come from other top universities and big hospitals where they already have a lot of experience, and so they've been able to bring in their own technical skills and professional judgment, and that's really raised the level. And overall, the system, I see that there's a emphasis on trying to standardize care with the help of resources and with this kind of strategic planning. Hainan can reach, an international level for healthcare. Personally, for my wife, she's not a medical professional, so she does business. So for her dream was to open her own business and to train her employees, to make a new business model and be an entrepreneur. And we found actually with Hainan making its new policies of the free trade port, there was an emphasis on making it easier for people to open their own businesses, to invest, as foreigners, to invest here locally. When my wife opened her business, the process was very smooth. It was all handled in one place. For her, it was basically like a one-stop service and very smooth, very quick. And then there's also, tax benefits in terms of lower income tax, which we've benefited from. It gives people, I think, an attractive place to come in. So that's actually been great because I've been able to, fulfill my dreams in terms of my medical work, but she's also been able to pursue her dreams in business. Yeah. If the policies, are going to help people from other countries to engage with China through Hainan, this really changes Hainan's place. Right, because it goes from being like a small place to kind of like a gateway to China, not only in terms of the market, but also people meeting together and communicating.